A weakened but still formidable Hurricane Ian chugged across Florida toward the Atlantic seaboard on Thursday after thrashing the state's Gulf Coast with fierce winds, torrential downpours and raging surf that flooded oceanside communities. Ian blasted ashore with catastrophic force on Wednesday afternoon as a Category 4 hurricane, packing maximum sustained winds of 150 miles per hour, and quickly plunged the region's flat, low-lying landscape into a scene of devastation. Ian's winds, making it one of the most intense storms to strike the U.S. mainland in recent years, diminished significantly after nightfall. Within 8 hours of its arrival, Ian was downgraded to Category 1 on the 5-step Saffir-Simpson scale, with top sustained winds of 150 km per hour, the National Hurricane Center reported. "This storm is doing a number on the state of Florida," said Governor, who asked U.S. President to approve a major federal disaster declaration providing a wide range of U.S. emergency aid to the entire state. There were no official reports of storm-related fatalities or serious injuries. An unspecified number of people were known to be stranded and in need of help in high-risk areas after choosing to ride out the storm at home rather than heed evacuation orders, but they were beyond the immediate reach of rescue crews, he said. Separately, U.S. border authorities said 20 Cuban migrants were missing after their boat sank off the Florida coast as Ian neared the coast on Wednesday.